Hey guys, welcome to Sako factory. Today I will introduce one of our hot cell lithium battery, lithium series. You can see here is our lithium battery. You can operate and manage it with the button and the screen. The screen will show some information of this battery. And the side is for the switch and communication port, the negative and the positive. And another side is for some battery information, and you can make it wall mounted or stand on the ground. For this type, it has from 5 kilowatt hours to 30 kilowatt hours, so it is a very wide choice range for you. Okay, if you are interested with our lithium battery, please feel free to contact my WhatsApp number. Thank you.